Today we have the pleasure of working across the street from the world famous Drive Pink Stadium, where Messi plays. Today we're out at this property with a Rainbird ESP ME controller, about a 10-zone system, and we're fixing a lot of broken pipes. We've already got the first one dug up over here, and it happens to be the mainline pipe, completely severed right here. And you know that's the mainline pipe because the wires are traveling right underneath it. So we'll go ahead and get this one repaired first, turn the system back on, see what else we find down the line. Evidently this pipe's been broken for quite some time. Started pulling out the root here. Let's see how far this will go. It's still going. It's still going. Still going. And that's the end of it. Let's see. I would say that's all of 15 feet. Wow. All right. Let's flush the line, put it back together. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna fire up the system. We're gonna see how much dirt comes out of these lines, or if it was even this pipe that was broken. We're gonna find out now. Oh, would you look at that? All right, and there it is, all repaired. I wanna point something out. I've had a few comments in some recent videos asking about how long I wait before I turn on the water. Well, with this blue glue, I'm gonna wait 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna turn on the water. This is a 1-inch pipe. It also happens to be the mainline pipe. That's why the wires are right there. We're gonna go ahead and wait the 30 minutes, go fix another pipe or two, come back and turn the system back on so that we can check our work. I gotta make a repair right at the base of this tree, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do this one first because I don't think I'll hear the end of it if I don't. That was like the third person to ask me if I speak Spanish. Sorry, I don't speak Spanish. I imagine the consistency of people asking me that is because Messi's stadium is right behind me. That's the Drive Pink Arena Stadium, whatever they call it for soccer. That just about does it for today. We got all the pipes repaired, all the broken heads repaired. All that's left to do is some troubleshooting, and I'll be back tomorrow to do that. With that said, on to the next one.